thought you'd be the reason that I learned to hate.